Today, we are looking at the exact folder structure of an AI agent skill. This specific arrangement of files determines how an agent stores, reads, and eventually executes its expertise. An agent skill is essentially a standard computer directory. It functions as a physical container that keeps all the resources an AI needs for a specific task in one place. Every skill requires a single mandatory file at its root named SKILL.md. Without this specific file, the agent cannot identify the folder as a skill. Supporting that core file are 3 optional subfolders: scripts for executable code, references for documentation, and assets for static files like templates or images. This standardized architecture turns specialized knowledge into a portable module. Because the file locations are fixed, you can plug this folder into any compatible agent and it will know exactly where to look for its instructions. To understand how an agent uses these files, we look inside SKILL.md. It begins with YAML Frontmatter at the top. The name field must be under 64 characters, using only lowercase letters, numbers, and hyphens. Below the name is the description field. This has a 1024 character limit and must detail exactly what the skill does. This description is the primary activation trigger. When a user gives an agent a task, it scans available skill descriptions for a match. You can also include optional fields like license or metadata for tracking, though they don't affect how the skill triggers. Before we move into the actual instruction body, make sure to subscribe and like the video if you find these technical breakdowns helpful. At this stage, the agent hasn't performed any work yet. This YAML section exists solely for identification. It tells the agent the skill exists and what it's for. Once the skill is activated, the agent moves to the Markdown body below the YAML. This is the engine room, where you provide the actual step-by-step procedures and examples for the task. To keep the agent's performance high, this section should stay under 500 lines and remain within a 5,000 token limit. Let's test your understanding of the directory structure. If you need to include a PDF of last year's tax laws and a Python script to calculate deductions, where would you put them? The PDF belongs in the References folder for the agent to read, while the Python code goes into the Scripts folder for the agent to execute. Separating these heavy assets from the instructions keeps the main SKILL.md file lean. The agent only accesses the larger files when the instructions specifically call for them. Progressive disclosure lets agents manage dozens of skills without overwhelming active memory. The discovery stage scans lightweight YAML descriptions. Upon assignment, the activation stage pulls the full SKILL.md into context. Finally, the execution stage accesses scripts or references only when required. When deploying, the package must be zipped. It must be under 50 megabytes, contain fewer than 500 files, with no file exceeding 25 megabytes. Run skills-ref validate to verify requirements. This fast modular system is the foundation of a high-performance agent skill.